Good day to everyone. This is June 16th, and we need to roll over the June contract into the September contract. And I'm going to show you a few different ways where you can do it on the CannonX, the StoneX, the CQG desktop platform. So if you have the contract over here, the EPM, which is the June, if you highlight it, it will tell you the month. It'll say June 25. And you can simply right click, come here and say roll symbol. By rolling the symbol, it's going to roll it to the next active contract month, which is September. And because I have this window, the quote spreadsheet, linked with the blue mark with my hot ticket, as well as my chart, I just rolled over both my quote, my chart, and my hot ticket. Now, let's say you have a hot ticket that you need to roll over and that was not linked, or a chart that was not linked. Very simple. Right click on the tab, go to replace, and type in the month that you want. In this case, you will type in ENQ 25. Let's say I wanted to make the micros MNQ 25. Okay, so that rolled over the micro NASDAQ into September. Let's say same with the dome. You right click on the dome, the title of the dome, you click replace, or you select the contract if it's available on the drop-down list. Hope this was helpful and good trading with the new contract month of September.